Hi, welcome to PhyLab application, and in this tutorial we are going to see how to perform screw gauge experiment using our PhyLab application. From the home screen, try to find the screw gauge card and select the simulator button. So on selection you will be greeted with a dialog box. That is the aim of our experiment, that is to measure the thickness of the given glass plate by using what? Screw gauge. Let's see now. Close the dialog box and start. First one is to find the least count. So to find the least count, first we need to see how many divisions are there in the head scale. There, if you can see, slowly rotate and you can see there are total 50 divisions. On the main scale also, each division, the minimum division I can measure is 0.5 mm. So the pitch of the screw is 0.5, and then number of divisions on the head scale are 50. So let's enter all those details and then click on submit. And next one is we need to find out zero error and zero correction. Let's close the head scale all the way to the end. So and we will see whether 0 and the horizontal line on the main scale and 0 on the head scale are matching or not. So I can see that they are perfectly matching. You need to observe very carefully because they are perfectly matching here. If not, then you need to enter the 0 values. Here they are perfectly matching, so that's why I entered 0 and 0. So now the next one is I placed a small glass plate between the jaws of the screw gauge and I am trying to close that so that I can measure the thickness. I am closing, and if they are matching, then it won't move. So the values are where exactly they're matching. The pitch of the scale, PSR, is 3.5. You can see 3.5 right there. And where it is exactly matching is 26. The head scale coincidence is 26. Okay. Again, perform the same operation for multiple times. You need to drag and vertically drag and drop, like drag your mouse button so that the head scale can rotate. Okay. Now I will be performing the same operations for multiple times, and once it is done, I will be greeted with a calculations page. All the values will be there for me. Now the least count is the pitch of the screw divided by number of divisions on the head scale. The pitch of the screw is 0.5 and that is divided by 50. That we get is 0.01. That is the least count. 0.01 mm can be measured by using our screw gauge. Okay. Now the corrected value is, if we have a 0 error, then corrected value will be according to that. As we don't have any 0 error, the same observed value will be our corrected value. Like fraction will be our corrected value into multiplied by least count, that is 0.01. And then total reading will be the actual PSR value plus fraction. So I am calculating all the details here. So all the formulas are present in front of you. So you don't need to be panic to do all the calculations. Just spend some time. There is no hurry. There is no time limit. Just spend some time and perform all your calculations. And the average mean thickness of the glass plate is, we got all the 4 total readings, and then perform sum of all 4 readings and divided by 4, as we got is that 3.775, something like that. And then after submitting, you will be greeted with home page. And again open screw gauge here so that we can download our record. So it will take some time to generate our record in PDF format. Once it is done, you will be downloaded into your machine. Open it and you will find all your details here. right? So this is how we need to perform all our calculations by using screw gauge. Thank you.